Alright, so I'll do a video on the 40 Plymouth business coupe I'm working on. And going on 3 years working on this thing, and it runs and drives. It needs paint and interior to be done. But the front grille to it, when I started on it, it was, hold on, let me just take it off the camera here. Whole grill, if you have a 40 Plymouth, you know what it looks like. It doesn't look anything like this. This is just my own idea. But I had to also, when I was putting this together, the way these things are made, it's funny, in the front end, it actually kind of rolls up underneath here. And it looks kind of, I don't want to say they look bad. It's definitely not as pretty as like a 40 Ford, which is probably my favorite. And anyway, by the time I got the engine, transmission in, and everything, the radiator set, I went to put the front end on, and it wouldn't clear the radiator. So I had to stop and back up at that point, and I actually stretched the bottom of the front end down here out about 4.5 inches forward, and cut all this. It basically like welded it all back together. But then the grill, the original one, I don't want to say they're ugly, but they kind of are without the chrome on them. The base model, it looks like just slits in here, and it's square. I don't think they really gave it a whole lot of thought. So I had the idea in my head, and I started building these. I did the first one, and I didn't like it, so I got rid of it. This is the second set. So these, this is my grill here. This is half of it. And it took a lot, as you can see. I mean, this thing's got compound angles. It bends this way, it bends this way. But I went to a nearby place, Metals Depot is the name of it, and I got started off with just some, I think this is 18 gauge stainless, and it's this is their mirror finish. This is dusty, but that started my thing. And I had a bunch of 4-inch strips. So as I did these, I've got a brake, and I bent a 90 on all of them. So this is just like a little piece I have left over. This was a 90, inch each way. And then with my shrinker stretcher, I kind of just measured it out. And I don't know if you ever used a shrinker stretcher, but to roll it in this way, and then roll it in this way, and then roll it in this way, just on this one piece. This whole thing is, and this is arched, as well as arched this way and this way. And it took some time. It really did. It was a lot longer process than what I thought. Well, then after I got them to where they would fit, I made a jig with some 1/8 inch stainless. Again, I should have filmed all this before. I'm just about done with this now, but it was on a frame, and a sheet metal frame. So I welded all these like a 1/2 inch apart. This one got hot. You can see I'll have to straighten it all out here. But yeah, it bent, but that's all right. We'll straighten it out. But anyway, once I got that, and then removed it from the frame, and then just put it on here and started folding it and bending it to where it would fit, on here. So now I'm gonna have, let's see if it'll drop in here, hopefully. There we go. It's still gotta be bolted up tight, but I think there's, I forget, is it 52 or 56 little bitty 1032 bolts that go all the way up in there. But that was just, I had a thought of like how I wanted it to look, and it's just taken a long time. Anyway, I'll get this on here, and then probably start on the body work to it. It's just kind of rough in here, and I already started on some of it, but do that hopefully through the winter, get it painted, and the interior, it'll be done and on the road. But it should be a fun ride. That's all I got right now. I'm out of here.